We are elected representatives. There's a privilege. Please. You convey this. I've already instructed the district, the magistrate, you convey that this is unlawful. It is a contempt of court, yes. It is a contempt of court. The Supreme Court has clearly stated in 1967 that you cannot invoke Section 144 CRPC just to prevent a legitimate... No. Please, what number is saying? What This is what you want to talk with us. Trend, you magistrate. You just call me. We are allowed to go there, we will not talk to the government. You violate. It is an unlawful. It is unlawful order. But accept. We are educated enough. We know the law. So don't try to suppress the democratic rights of the citizens. We have given the letter to the government. It's for the government to respond to us in writing. They cannot use police just to protect them, just to prevent the legitimate expression of opinion. This is a legitimate. Nakaliang ka fisia ki police nila yung inputs bangi organize kay kama kabusniyo. It is unlawful. You call the magistrate. I will explain. I will explain to the magistrate what our Section 144 is all about. You call the magistrate here, I will explain. Who are those magistrates who don't know? Apply their minds. You convey to the district administration that this imposition is unlawful.
Last time lu ngiyong no. Madam, ngiyong tan bendek tak tu orang semua. Bicara sama ini. Hamsa.
And manhandle the elected